Okay. Mom, really, do you mind? Oh, stop later.
Okay, we should go.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, I think you should.
These three black girls who were wearing spiked heels get off this bus, and Mom just looks at them and goes, "Ho, ho, ho! You girls are gonna be really uncomfortable with those shoes on."
And I was taking out the bags from the trunk, and I just started, putting my head deeper and deeper in the trunk.
Because Mom does say that. She goes, "Ho, ho, ho," but in that context, it really didn't really work.
They were kind of weirded out, like, they wanted to smile because they feel the energy, it's kind of positive, but the wording is,
Wasn't
they were
quite
kind of
right.
confused.